When you want a stable portfolio, investing in blue chip stocks is the way to go. These stocks provide stability, regular dividends, and a host of other advantages. Here are 5 reasons why you should invest in blue chip stocks. Blue chip stocks are stocks of companies that are financially healthy, have stability, and have a solid reputation in the market. In other words, blue chip stocks are nothing but the stocks of large cap companies. In India, the Securities and Exchange Board of India, also known as SEBI, categorizes the top 100 companies by market capitalization as large cap companies. These companies are well established and categorized by large capital and reliability. Such companies are able to weather financial storm and turbulence in the market, giving stable returns despite market volatility. As an investor, you can expect your investment in blue chip companies to remain fairly stable and even grow in the long run. Did you know the term blue chip comes from the game of poker? In poker, among the blue, red and white chips, blue chips have the highest value. Since large cap companies are the most valuable among small cap, mid cap and large cap companies, they are called blue chip stocks. Blue chip stocks do not necessarily trade at high prices or multiples. Instead, these are companies that have stability, a strong balance sheet, great quality, and a good reputation in the market. This in turn elevates their value among investors, making them highly liquid and eventual market leaders in their industries. There are a few characteristics of blue chip stocks that will help you understand the concept better. Blue chip stocks are high quality stocks categorized by low volatility. Blue chip stocks often pay regular dividends to their shareholders. These stocks have strong fundamentals that make them resistant to wild stock market fluctuations. While they may face a temporary pitfall during market downturns, they are able to withstand the tough times because of their strong balance sheets. They have high liquidity because of their reputation. Both individuals and institutional investors trade these stocks frequently. So blue chip stocks are the creme de la creme of stocks in the market. They are high quality, have a good reputation, provide easy liquidity, and have strong fundamentals. So for those newly diving into the market, blue chip could be the way to go. For more such information, follow ICICI Direct.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all related documents carefully before investing.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to never miss an update from ICICI Direct.